In this tutorial, we'll be designing a Lollipop-style chart in Excel. We'll be using this data set, which shows shark attacks over the past 20 years. While a simple bar or column chart could visualize this data, if you want to get a bit fancy, let's dive in. We'll create this chart from scratch, so let's start by deleting the existing one. First, select your data and choose an appropriate chart type. Go to the Insert tab and click on Recommended Charts. From there, choose the column chart. First, let's adjust the size of the chart a bit. We'll be using several formatting techniques to transform this column chart into a Lollipop-style graph. Let's start by increasing the gap between the bars. Just right-click on any bar, go to Format Data Series, and set the gap width to around 40 or 50%. Next, let's activate the error bars from the Chart Elements menu. Then, we'll remove the fill color from the bars. Just right-click on any bar, go to Fill, and select No Fill. Now, we're left with only the error bars, exactly what we need for the lollipop effect. Okay, let's format the error bars. Right-click on one of the error bars and select Format Error Bars. Set the direction to minus. Choose No Cap for the end style. And set the error amount to 100%. This gives us the lollipop tail effect. Let's go again in the formatting options. We can change the color and size of error bars. Next, go to Line Settings. For the cap type, choose Round, and for the join type, select Bevel. Next, for the arrow settings, set the begin arrow type to oval with a large size. Set the end arrow type to oval with a medium size. We now have transformed the column chart to a lollipop-style visual. Next, let's clean up the chart by removing unnecessary clutter. Click on Chart Elements and uncheck Grid Lines. Now, let's add data labels. Click on Chart Elements again and check Data Labels. The labels are visible now, but we need to format them so they align with the lollipop heads. Right-click on the data labels and select Format Data Labels. Then go to the Number section, choose Custom, and apply your custom formatting. That's it. Now the chart looks much better. In the same way, let's apply custom formatting to the y-axis to match the overall style. Next, let's add both vertical and horizontal axis titles to complete the chart. And finally, update the chart title and format it as needed to match your design. And there you have it. We've given a complete makeover to a standard column chart and turned it into a stylish lollipop chart. This is part 2 of the 100+ Excel Infographics Design Series on the channel. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.